everybody. Hope you all keeping well in this COVID-19 pandemic. Today I'm going to present and work on an Excel spreadsheet on cash flows for shareholders. Now, what I'm supposed to do is to calculate and find the missing figures that I'm required to calculate to provide to a successful subsidized spreadsheet, and to find the remaining figures from the bullets as well. Now, there's figures that have been required to calculate that's been inserted. The data has been inserted, but those will be calculated. Those will be the percentages that will need to be calculated. If it's the wrong percentage and that is not required in any of them, the answers will not be answered correctly. Same with these figures over here that go and calculate throughout this entire spreadsheet. Now, unsubsidized and subsidized will be very much the same, but some of the figures will be completely different. Unsubsidized means the sheet is not fixed and not calculated appropriately, while subsidized will be fixed and will be coming to a better conclusion. Then the bullets will be inserted with the remaining shareholder figures that will be calculated after the sheet is subsidized. Okay, now let's start off and calculate the EBIT, which is €15. Okay, it's just a dollar sign function. So make sure that matches to F3. Okay, now the next step is to calculate the less interest. Okay, 40. That's good. Now let's go and do the earnings before tax. It's just plus. So it is EBIT plus less interest. Okay, now let's go into the taxes. That's good. So C4, earnings before taxes, multiply by the tax rate by dollar signs, so multiply by 40%. You get an accurate answer, which is €5.84. Okay, next one is the net income, which is another plus function. So it's earnings before taxes plus taxes. The answer will be €8.76. So it is an addition sum, but because those are in brackets, it's actually a minus. I know it's very complicated thing, but still. So once you plus that, it will minus itself. Then it will give you a professional answer. Okay, there's only one table I need to do for investment by shareholders. Right, So equals minus bracket F4 minus F5. So it is tax, it is investment, and it's minus by amount borrowed. So it's €12 for example, and then it's minus by €4. The answer will be €8 for investment. Yeah, next step is to find the net cash flow to shareholders. So is equals sum B17 bracket yours. Let's go and see what the other answers are. €8.76. So very professional. That's very good. Okay, next step is to plus and divide by B5. So here's how it's gonna go. So B18 plus C18 divided by B5. Looks like it doesn't require all answers, it only requires one answer. Okay, so just the B5 then. Okay, next step is to find the market value of equity. Nope, just one answer. So C18, then divide that by B5. B5 is the cost of equity, or 12%. Okay, now it's going to the next step, and it's going to be the weighted average cost of capital. Cost of capital is next. Right, now let's do the weighted cost of capital section. Alright, now let's calculate the weighted average cost of capital. So simply the percentage on the weighted cost of capital on D29 and D30. Okay, so that's weighted average cost of capital completed. Next step is to find the free cash flow. Same again, you're doing dollar signs and match it with EBIT. Okay, now let's calculate the taxes. €6 and the executive professional answer. Okay, next calculation is EBIT. EBIT plus taxes, which is minus because they're in brackets. Yeah, next step is to calculate the free cash flow. Well, next step is net present value, or WACC. €64. Yeah, next step calculates the interest for after tax cash flows from lenders. Let's now the next step, interest tax shield. Okay, now go into after tax interest. Is interest plus interest tax shield. Good, so everything's going well so far. Now I'll continue and move on forward to the next step in the next video. We're out of time, so hope you all enjoy this video so far so good. So have a nice evening, see you all soon, and wash your hands and stay local and stay safe. Adios.